So, aside from phone, you can also tap the laptop since this is the most updated version of Piso Wi-Fi vending machine. So, firstly, you have to go to your laptop Wi-Fi settings and prepare the Wi-Fi name. So, this is Bus Wi-Fi 559. So, here's how. Tap the laptop, connect the Wi-Fi name, and after that, nakalagay insert coin, and then you have to insert and remove the phone please, and that's all. Same process of Wi-Fi vendo. Yan. So after that, you just have to wait the registration. And check the balance through the website. You just have to go to www.a.com. Yan. As you can see, here's the time left. It's 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Yan. And you can now enjoy surfing. Thank you!